How do you pay the London congestion charge and or the ULEZ? I think I went out with an ULEZ at university. She was lovely. But this is something different. It's the ULEZ, the ultra low emission zone. I'm going to take you through the whole process step by step. And my biggest fear with this, apart from screwing it up and wasting a lot of money, is that it's going to be really boring because I'm going to do it in real time. It is London's best kept secrets. It's London Mayor Sadiq Khan's attempt to reduce pollution and improve telepathy. You and I we're gonna pay this and not get the fine. Hello, my name's Neil, by the way. Welcome back to the Happy Hut. This is the Dad Delivers vlog where we get to do something new and exciting each and every day. And today, you and I are going to pay this London congestion charge and ULEZ. Welcome back to the Happy Hut. And right here, you're looking at my desktop. But the first thing that might not help or confuse you is that there seems to be no mention here about the ULEZ charge. And this link is in the description as well if you want to go there and follow along. But I'm going to click on this button here, Pay to Drive in London. That button takes you to this page, Pay to Drive in London, where they do mention ULEZ, so that's good. So it gives you all the different options here, but we just want the congestion and ULEZ charge. So I'm going to click down here on Pay. The first thing Sadiq Khan, the Mayor of London, wants to know is your car registration. So I'm going to put mine in. And the country of registration, it is registered in the United Kingdom. It's found my beautiful Chariot. So we'll click on Confirm Vehicle. And then it gives you the option. Do you want to pay the congestion charge or the ULEZ charge zone? This is something that drives me nuts because they've got all this information. They should tell me what I owe. They've got all my data. But I'm going to keep the tack in the black. Thankfully, I remembered that it was the congestion charge zone and the ULEZ charge zone, and it helpfully gives you a map to show you where the ring of steel is. Look at that lovely clean blue air there. At the bottom, helpfully, there's also a place where you can put in any street address. This is where we went to, the Carts, and it tells you what charges apply for that postcode or street name. Continue. And this is where you can tell the Mayor of London what days you happened upon the capital, and it was both the congestion charge and ULEZ charge. You might remember the gorgeous days where weekends were exempt, but they're not exempt anymore. It changes a lot, so you might want to check the dates and times because they have changed. So I'm going to scroll down and it tells me my total. £30. Well, that's very nearly a couple of sandwiches and a coffee in London, right? And it gives you an optional email receipt or text message receipt. I'm going to go for the email receipt. And kindly here it puts the burden of responsibility for choosing the right dates. There's an auto pay system where it bills you automatically, and I might have a go at that at the end of this video. So I'm going to hit confirm and pay, and this is where you give the Mayor of London your card details. That then takes you to the payments confirmation page. So check all your details are correct and then hit make payment. Thanks for paying. You're welcome, Mayor of London. I'm sorry that I polluted the capital. But on the upside, we got to see the musical Six, which I absolutely... It was 80 minutes long. I hope you managed to pay your ULEZ and congestion charge correctly so you don't get fined. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you got on. I don't find it that easy.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?